let's solve this question to give you a better understanding of arithmetic progression. Now in this question it says that the first two terms in an arithmetic progression are 5 and 9. The last term of the progression is the only term which is greater than 200. Find the sum of all the terms in the progression. So now we don't know which term is the last term. We know the value of the last term which is greater than 200, but we don't know which term that is. Now for finding the sum of the terms in an arithmetic progression, we have this formula: n divided by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 times d. Now we have a is our first term, but we don't have n, neither do we have d. Now finding d is quite easy. We know the first two terms of the sequence. First one is 5, second one is 9. So d will be a2 subtracted from its previous term. We'll get d is 4, right? We now have 4, but we need to find n. We know that the last term is the only term which is greater than 200, so the formula for the nth term of the sequence is an equals to a plus n minus 1 times d, and the last term is greater than 200, so let's say n is our last term. We're finding it last term is greater than 200. The first term is 5 plus n minus 1, we don't know what n is, and d is 4. Last term is greater than 200. This is the last term. When we solve this, we get n greater than 49.75. So as I told you before, arithmetic sequence is a function where the input are whole numbers. So the nearest whole number which is greater than 49.75 is 50. So n is 50. Now we'll plug in this n in this formula and we'll get the sum of the terms up to 50 terms. So S50 equals to 50 divided by 2. Now 50 are the all terms in this sequence. There are only 50 terms in this sequence. 2 times a is 5, plus 50 minus 1 into the difference is 4. Our answer is S50, sum of the terms is 5150, 5150. This is our answer, which is the sum of all the terms in the progression.